GOLDOT, unveiling treasures.
Golden buried treasure hunting enthusiasts, welcome to you all. I know the biggest problem you face is that when you get a device, you have technical issues with the million settings it has, some for soil, some for layers, sound, and so on. In today's video, we've brought you a device that will save you from all these problems. Ready? Let's go. Today we're going to unbox this device and see what's inside this box. We'll see what settings and new features Minelab has included in the device. So stay with us, let's see. And this is the box for the Gold Monster 1. It comes in a secure and sturdy box. So even if we ship it to you, God willing, it will reach you in the best possible way. Here's the device before you, the picture in the middle, the words Gold Monster 1000 here, and the prestigious Minelab logo at the bottom. If we turn the device like this, you'll see the warranty sticker that's on it. When you open the Gold Monster, you see this picture that the company has included. And you know, when you go prospecting, don't forget to wear a hat so the sun doesn't bother you. We'll take it out and put it here. As soon as you open the device, the main control unit will appear. And the thing that immediately catches your eye is that it is actually quite light. Its lightness is honestly very striking. Plus, you can really feel that it is made from a very sturdy, solid material. We'll put it aside and open the box and see what things are inside it. The most important thing in the box after the main control unit is the coil the company included, which has the double D feature, or the two coils inside the device, which lets you prospect in wide areas and narrow spaces. So even if there's a small gold nugget, rest assured you'll find it. Of course, inside the device there are user manuals, and by the way, they've put a lot of effort into them. I mean, they explain to you to the millimeter how the device is assembled. We also have a pair of headphones with high audio precision. These headphones are so you can hear the device when you're in the field. And as we mentioned earlier, we saw the car charger. This is the regular power charger, the home charger. This is a charger. There are different plugs included for you. Now we'll remove this cardboard insert and see the rest of the device's contents. Don't fall, stay there please. Look everyone, this is a spare cover. This one comes off and this one goes in its place. They included it because this part touches the dirt and rocks the most, so it might wear out. So they gave you an extra cover. In addition to the main parts of the device, the extension poles that the device's components are mounted on. And now we'll show you how to assemble the device. By the way, these are the main parts we took out of the box, as you saw. It doesn't have many parts and assembly isn't hard, it's very simple. We'll show you how. First, we have the main body of the device where the main control unit will be mounted. We'll take these poles, there's a red line here, a mark they put for you to notice. We'll insert it inside. Loosen this screw a bit so it goes in. Like this? Okay, tighten it slightly and then lock it. Once you lock it, it becomes firm and strong. Now that we've prepared this main shaft for the device, what do we have? These main clamps that the body or the main part will be mounted on. It mounts like this with this tab facing upwards, okay? It goes down like that. Then we move on to the main control unit, okay? And just as we mounted the main control unit, we'll mount the shaft. It's easy. Once you understand how these clips work, you'll understand how to assemble it all. I'll insert one. And just as we mounted the main control unit, we'll mount the shaft or the handle, the armrest, I mean. Okay, we'll take this. After mounting the main control unit and the shaft, it's time to mount the device's main coil. Now look, there's a hole. There's a small hole here. The larger hole is on this side. We'll place it like this, slightly above, and give it a little push. Then we come to an important part, which is installing the battery. See this white writing? Keep it facing up. There's a small latch here. When you turn it like this, you pull it to the left. We hold the battery like this. And we go here to the power button and press it. The device turns on, and that's how we've assembled the Gold Monster 2000. This wonderful and unique device is specialized in extracting raw gold. When you hear this sound, you're in good shape. This device works on multi-frequency technology from 12 to 76 kilohertz, in addition to having a specific identifier for each type of metal from 0 to 99. The most important features of the Gold Monster 2000 are its lightness and durability, and most importantly, its simplicity of use. There are just a few buttons here, and you'll learn how to use them very easily. This device is available at our company, GOLDOT, with a warranty of up to 2 years. So, welcome everyone, we're waiting for you to contact us and get this wonderful and unique device.